guys, it's Cassie Lamoureux from Keller Williams, and today we're featuring our property from Twin Lakes. There it is. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. It's the Amelia model, and it's in the beautiful 55 plus community of Twin Lakes. So if you know anything about Twin Lakes is a little bit south on Narcoossee, just south of 192. So it's in St. Cloud, yet you're about 20 minutes to Medical City, and you're about 40 minutes to Melbourne Beach. So it's a really great little sweet spot, and it offers a luxury type lifestyle with a beautiful clubhouse and a beautiful pool and spa and a gym that will rival any professional gym around here. Yoga classes, art classes, community events, all your lawn work's taken care of for you. It is a literally like gated resort, ready to play kind of community and enjoy the Florida lifestyle. So let me take you inside this home, and let's take a little further look here. It is absolutely move-in ready. In fact, all that tile is brand new. So there's brand new tile throughout the entire home. It was built in 2021. So it's only a few years old, and it's beautiful. So you've got tile in the front room. This is their little office space with plenty of light, and they've got a full closet going on. You also have a full bathroom over here as well. So if you had it as a guest room, it kind of acts like a little junior suite in that way. They have their living room set up here. I've seen all kinds of variations on this. It's a wonderful open space that you can very easily put different types of furniture, very large closet, very large couches. It's very, very versatile. It's got a beautiful kitchen. They paid extra for all that trim. Those are upgraded cabinetry. They've got the backsplash. All of that is upgraded for sure. The granite countertops are also, and they also paid for shelving in their laundry room as well. So you've got so much storage. That's the garage door. When you go out there, you've got some shelving as well. And then here's the really great thing too. You've got this really great lanai. By the way, this home is plumbed for gas and water out there. So if you wanted to do an outdoor kitchen, all the plumbing and the lines are already ready for you. And again, you don't do any of your lawn work, but here's what's super cool about this area. You've got this little private space right off of the master bedroom. And it's a wonderful little meeting space. I've had people use it as a craft space, a reading room, and just in general, it's just a lovely little spot to visit with friends, drink your morning coffee, and really just enjoy the beautiful Florida lifestyle that you can live here at this home. So now here's your master bedroom. It's got a beautiful tray ceiling and plenty of room for a king size bed and all your armoires. You've got a beautiful transom window. Now, sometimes people put their bed under the transom window and they enjoy the light over on this side. They have it situated this way. So I love that because the way the room is set up, you have multiple ways in which you can fit your furniture in there in the way that you prefer. So you've got double kitchen sinks. You've got this beautiful upgraded shower bottom with tile all the way up to the ceiling. That is absolutely an upgrade. And that's the best way to do it. That way all your wet areas are from ceiling to floor. And then they even added extra shelving in their closet and an outlet here for her vanity. So there's been some additions even in the closet. And again, brand new tile throughout the entire house. All right. So this home is in off of Greenlands in Twin Lakes, and I would love the opportunity to share with you more details on it and to help you purchase this home so you can start living your Florida good life today. So come by and reach out to me, and I'm happy to show you this home and give you more details on it in the beautiful, beautiful 55 and better community of Twin Lakes. Thanks for watching.